morning sa inyong lahat. Ngayon mga bata, pag-aaralan naman natin ang understanding the whole numbers. Understanding whole numbers. So, lesson 1, visualizing and identifying numbers from 100 to 10,000. So, we can use materials using base 10 blocks, flats, dong, and 1 to help us visualize and represent numbers. Okay, so we have 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds. That is blocks. Next, 100s is equivalent equals 10 tens or flats. Next, we have 110 equals to 10 1. So that is long. And 1 or that is square. Okay, so let's remember, numbers can be represented by base 10 blocks. 1 block equivalent to 1,000, 1 flat equivalent to 100, 1 long is equivalent to 110, and 1 square is equivalent to 1. Okay mga bata, tandaan po natin yan ha. Okay, examples. So we have how many flats? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 flats. So this represents as 500 plus 2 longs equivalent to 20. And how many squares? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 squares. So that is 7, equivalent to 7. Or we may say that blocks or 527. So babasahin natin siya as 527. Ako, next. Okay, subukan naman natin to mga bata. So, ilang flats ang meron tayo, ilang longs at ilang squares. Okay, tama mga bata. So, meron tayo 700 plus 60 plus 2. 762. Very good mga bata. Okay, ikalawa. Okay, so, how many flats do we have? Okay, very good. So, we have 10 flats. Okay, so that is equivalent to 1,000. Okay, next. Okay, so this. So, we have 2 blocks, 3 flats, 2 longs, and 5 squares. So, that is 2,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5 or 2,325. Okay? So, write the numbers represented by the base 10 blocks. Flats, long, and square. So, write your answer inside the box. Okay? So, let's do this. Okay, number 1. The answer. Very good. So we have 400 plus 30 plus 3, or we read as 433. Next, number 2. Okay, very good. So we have 300 plus 50 plus 5, or we may say that 355. Okay, another. So we have 600 plus 40 plus 6, or we may say that we have 646. Next, number 4. Okay, 100 plus 40 plus 2 or 142. And last number 5. Okay, so we read as 363. Okay, very good mga bata. Okay, so identify the number of base 10 blocks to be used in the given numbers. Write your answer on the table provided. So the first one is done for you. Okay, so we have number of blocks, number of flats, number of longs, number of square, and can be read as. Okay, so let's proceed. So number 1 is 125. So there's no blocks. So we put 0. So how many? The number of flats here. So we have 1. So write 1. Okay, then number of longs. How many longs? So that is equivalent to 10. So we have longs or 20. Equivalent to 20. Number of square. How many square or in ones or one space? So we have 5. So can be read as, so we can read this as 100, 2 tens, and 5 ones. Okay, next number 2, we have 246. So again, we don't have, we do not have blocks. Okay, so we put 0. Okay, then how many number of flats? Okay, very good, 2. Then how many longs? 4. And square. How many square? Very good, 6. So we read this as 200, 4 tens, and 6 ones. Okay, very good mga bata. Next, so we have 415. So we don't have blocks, so we put 0. How many flats? We have 4 flats. Number of long, 1 long, and then number of square, 5 squares. Okay, so we read this as 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and 5 ones. Okay, next. How many? Okay, blocks is 0, flat is 5, 6, or longs is 6, and then square is 7. So we have how many? Okay, so we have 500, 6 tens, and 7 ones. Okay, so we have 2,136. So we have now a blocks. Okay, so 2 blocks, and then how many flats? We have 1 flat. Then we have 3 longs and 6 squares. So we have 2,103 flats and 6 ones. Okay, next 2,394. So we have 2 blocks, 3 flats, 9 longs, and 4 squares. So we have 2,300, 9 tens, and 4 ones. Next, number 7. Okay, we have 6,903. So we have how many blocks? We have 6 blocks. Okay, 9 flats, 0 longs, and then 3 squares. So we read as 6,900, 0 long, and 3 ones. And lastly, number 8, 7,086. So we have 7 blocks, 0 flats, 8 longs, and 6 square. So we have 7,000, 8 longs, and 6 ones. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Thank you for watching.